And then? It's your mic.
Hi, baby. How are you?
I'm good. Listen.
Good, babe. What's up, Papa, baby?
Hey, Paribu, I'm so happy to shine you.
Sure, baby.
Yes, how is jobbing?
It's fine, babe.
Yeah, yes, so hot, chef. Can I give you something to drink?
Yes, baby. You can give me something like water or cold drinks, fine.
Okay, let me find something.
Okay, baby.
Okay. Here you go. Makati mtupo cheese.
Moya, thank you so much, baby. You also know.
Nah, I'm not a fan of cold drinks.
Why? Why, babe?
No, I don't drink cold drinks.
Don't
I have
drink?
my
So
drink,
just
don't
take a sip, it's fine.
Oh no, let me take mine.
Wow, okay.
Yeah. Yes. I don't like cold drink. I drink beer.
What?
I drink beer. That's me.
What, you drink beer?
Yeah. Is there anything wrong?
No, it's fine. No, it's fine. Nothing problem.
Yeah. Actually, let me just have one glass of wine, maybe I'll be okay.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's what I drink.
Okay, so you mean you don't drink Coke?
Not at all. I drink beer.
No, just check, just try. It's fine. Just take this one because I don't
know.
trust.
Let me just take maybe one thing. Will maybe put something for you.
No,
But
I just
didn't.
no.
When
I
just
don't
going.
drink. No. I don't take beer. No.
Now I drink beer, baby. The whole night I can drink beer.
What?